So I tried Instadoodle and here's the honest truth. It claims you can create professional doodle-style videos in minutes using AI, but is it actually useful or just another overhyped tool? Instadoodle is a web-based video creation tool that focuses on doodle and whiteboard-style animations. According to the company, it lets you create doodle videos without designing or editing skill. Use AI to auto-generate scenes, choose from ready-made characters, icons, and templates. Export videos for marketing, education, or social media. It's mainly marketed to marketers, educators, and content creators who want quick explainer-style video. What I've found during testing, after reviewing how the platform works and checking real users' feedback, here's what stands out. Instadoodle is genuinely easy to use, the interface is beginner-friendly, and you can create a basic doodle video fairly fast using templates. The drag-and-drop system works smoothly, and AI assistance helps speed things up. That said, the AI doesn't magically create perfect video. You still need to tweak some scenes, text timings, and visual to get something polished. The results are decent for simple explainer videos, but they won't look like high-end custom animation. Positive things about it is it's beginner-friendly, fast way to create simple doodle video, no advanced editing skill is required, good for short explainers, ads, and presentation. But the problem, video style can feel repetitive if you rely only on templates. AI-generated scenes still need manual adjustments, and some user report upsells and add-ons after purchase. Not ideal for advanced or highly custom animation. Also, while the sales page makes it sound very automated, realistic results still depends on your input and editing. Instadoodle is not a scam, but it's not a magic AI video creator either. It's best suited for beginners who want simple doodle style quickly without learning complex software. If you need fast explainer videos for marketing or education, it can be useful. But if you want full creative control or cinematic animation, you'll likely outgrow it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.